Do you now agree that after all of the cross-examination and all of the discrepancies, there is a possibility that the state no longer has a strong case against the applicant?
I don't.
I have no further questions, Your Worship.
It's a murder case that has shaken the Roodepoort Magistrates Court with harrowing details, allegedly botched evidence, allegations of framing, and timelines that do not match. On the one side, the state hopes to prove that the 31-year-old mother is guilty of the brutal killing of her son, while the defense says it is all a fabrication.
It all goes back to the applicant's affidavit that the evidence was never there on the 14th and 15th. She stands by that the evidence was planted from the 14th to the 16th. The evidence was planted there. There was no school bag in that flat from the 14th to the 16th. The police then requested access. Somebody could have tipped them off that you forgot the school bag, or there's a school bag in there. And you went back into the premises on the 16th. And that's for the only time the bag was seen or heard of for the first time ever.
If this bag was framed, that means it was framed before the scene was photographed. Because photos that were taken on the 14th, they depict the photo of the school bag.
Police say Meek remains the only suspect in the murder, adding that their investigation is almost complete.
To arrest the suspect, we had enough information. We have enough evidence to arrest the suspect. The outstanding investigation doesn't mean we had an incomplete investigation in arresting the suspect.
But yet there could still be outstanding suspects, correct?
Not one I know of.
Naidu alleges Jayden-Lee's body was tampered with before it was discovered that morning.
Jayden's body was first found on a flight of stairs, almost the same level as the parking lot. When you come to the parking level, you go up the first 5 stairs. Jayden's body was found on that floor, the ground floor.
That will be a misleading statement.
The guard, the night shift guard, I'm not sure if he carried Jayden himself or with the assistance of other tenants or residents. Thereafter picked Jayden's body, carried him up the 2 flights of stairs and placed him on the first floor, close to where the applicant and Jayden resided.
That is not true according to the night shift guard.
The cross-examination concluded on Friday, and court will resume on Monday for closing arguments in the bail application. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Scara Mafokoane at the Roodepoort Magistrates Court.